Now the news. I'm Zhou Fang. Mass COVID-19 inoculation for residents has kicked off across Beijing in the wake of vaccinations for 9 priority groups. Huang Yue reports from a vaccination site.
I'm now at one of the temporary vaccination sites in Shijingshan district in Beijing. It's located in the western part of the city. Today, residents of this district can receive the COVID-19 vaccines on a voluntary basis. Here at this site, there are about 60 medical workers, and they work from 9 to 11:30 in the morning and 1 to 3 in the afternoon every day. Actually, this morning, about 1,600 residents have already been given the first shot of the vaccine. And the vaccination process for each person is actually quite fast. It just takes about five seconds, but after getting the jab, the recipients need to stay at the site for a 30-minute observation to see if there's any adverse reaction. Recipients who come to the site just need to bring their ID cards and mobile phones, and of course wear face masks since there are many people waiting in line to get the jab. And medical workers on the site will inquire about the health status of the recipient to see whether she or he can be vaccinated. Earlier, a director from a health service center of the district told me that there were a total of 6 vaccination sites in this district, and this round of inoculation work will last for about 3 months to ensure that anyone who's willing to get the vaccination can be inoculated.
Colombia has received the first batch of China's Sinovac COVID-19 vaccines. The country approved the emergency use of the Chinese vaccine over 2 weeks ago. More shipments are expected in March. The Sinovac vaccine has been authorized for use in several countries. Earlier, its Brazilian partner suggested the jab is effective against the variants found in the UK and South Africa, citing test results in Chinese trials. Key indicators of COVID-19 transmission in the United States continue to fall, but health experts warn the public not to let down guard as the country sees uptake in coronavirus variant infections. The COVID tracking project indicates weekly new cases have fallen from 1.7 million at the national peak in early January to fewer than 600,000 this week. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says a total of 1,549 infection cases of coronavirus variants have been reported in the United States as of Thursday. Qatari Emir Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani has met with visiting senior Chinese diplomat Yang Jiechi, with the two sides vowing to boost cooperation. Yang Jiechi says China is ready to work with Qatar to deepen cooperation in the joint construction of the Belt and Road Initiative, as well as in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. He has also expressed China's full support to Qatar in hosting the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The Qatari Emir says Qatar is ready to enhance cooperation with China in the fields of energy, investment, digital economy, culture and infrastructure construction within the BRI framework. The Chinese currency has retained its spot as the 5th most attractive currency for global payments by value in January, but with a larger share as a global payment currency. According to the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, the renminbi's share in global payment accounted for 2.42% last month. Debris from a United Airlines plane fell onto Denver suburbs in the U.S. state of Colorado during an emergency landing on Saturday. Authorities say the plane landed safely and nobody aboard or on the ground was reported hurt. The National Transportation Safety Board had opened an investigation into the incident. The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration says the Boeing 737-200 returned to the Denver International Airport after experiencing a right engine failure shortly after takeoff. And that's the news. I'm Zhou Fang.